What's going on, guys? Wasalaamtiin dhammaantiin Somali Maxamed meel walba joogtaan Franskayga dhammaan wada salaamaya. This is Omar Speedy again. Somali horta waxaa la yaabay Marioli of today Halim must be working darless. Farah is saagin and soonless. The youth are dhaqanless. Fanaaniintii are tireless. Heesihii are meaningless. Qabyaaladu is endless. Our carruur are hopeless. Scholars are faa'iidaless. Leaders are careless. And sadly, Somalia, our flag is homeless. And that makes me speechless. What I mean by that is, when I say our flag is homeless, it seems social media, at the end of the day, waddankeena Soomaalinimadeena diinteena inta bana jeclaysiiyo. I want to thank all my fans for the support and love for all my videos. Thank you guys. I'm working on a lot of new videos, a lot of prank videos, so stay tuned for more jacbur, more funny videos, more prank videos. Go to my channel on YouTube, SpeedyTube, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys.